As you know, our second paper is prose and fiction. In second paper, we will read the fiction The Bachelor of Arts written by R.K. Narayan. First question is put up from our novel is the full name of R.K. Narayan. R.K. Narayan's full name is Rashipuram Krishna Swami Narayan. Narayan was honored with the Padma Bhushan and Sahitya Academy Award. Padma Bhushan 1962 and Sahitya Academy Award is in 1990. It is the second book of trilogy that begins with Swami and friends. It is also very important to remember. It is second book of trilogy that begins with Swami and friends and end with English teacher. And with English teacher. By the way, they have many novels, but we will remember the name of two novels name among them. The first is the English teacher. First is the English teacher and second is guide. And Sahitya Academy Award in 1990 was for this novel, The Guide. It was the introduction about the novelist. Now we introduce to novel. Chandran, about novel, the characters that Narayan has portrays are generally from the middle class society and Indian life. Means R.K. Narayan was Indian writer, so he depicts a beautiful picture of Indian society, Indian life, Indian society. And he also, irony is the most powerful literary device used by Narayan to convey the contradiction between reality. Means our doing and sayings में जो डिफरेंस होता है, हमारी जो डूइंग और सेइंग्स में कथनी और करनी में फ़र्क होता है, वो ही उन्होंने हमारे इंडियन लाइफ का हमारे इस नावल में द बैचलर ऑफ आर्ट्स में एक कॉलेज लाइफ, एक हमारा जो कॉलेज लाइफ की स्टोरी है उसमें डिस्क्राइब करने का इसमें डिस्क्राइब किया है और इसको बहुत ही एक सुंदर तरीके से प्रेजेंट किया है. एंड नेक्स्ट, इफ़ यू रिमेंबर दिस मैटर, that matter I am presenting in front of you, about it I am saying that if you remember this matter, then your 2 or 3 long question and 8 to 10 short question will be prepared by this matter. Okay, next we see contents. The theme of the novel. Theme of the novel, first character is Chandran. Chandran, the protagonist of the story. Chandran is a student of history. Chandran is a student of history. He is a student. He is a college student. Next, his love for Malti. Generally, we see in our society his first love for Malti. Chandran is lovesick for a girl. Chandran is lovesick for a girl whose name is Malti, who he meets at the village river. His marriage proposal is declined by his family. So, Malti is married off to another. Chandran feels that when his proposal declined, then Chandran feels hurt and helpless in the hand of fate. मीन्स क्या होता है, जब चंद्रन को डिक्लाइन मिल जाता है, उसका प्रपोजल डिक्लाइन हो जाता है, तब वो उसके दिल को बहुत आघात पहुंचता है और वो अपने आप को भाग्य के अधीन समझ लेता है. एस्केटिसिज्म। एस्केटिसिज्म मीन्स जब चंद्रन भाग्य के अधीन अपने आप को मान लेता है तब वह एक सन्यासी के रूप में हो जाता है। मीन्स अल्टीमेटली ही डिसीव्स टू कमिट टू ए लाइफ ऑफ एस्केटिसिज्म। He is still afflicted by the memory and lost life which Malti. Means here asceticism, he becomes a sannyasi. He become a sannyasi. Next, marriage with Sushila. Finally, his father finds a young Brahmin girl named Sushila. Sushila's proposal for him, he is still grieved with uncertainty. Here, Chandran was not happy. However, fate turns a circle and he falling in love with Sushila. Means his inner feelings, his inner feeling and situations are being changed. Finally, he love with Sushila. And when situations changed, then back to normal life. Now Chandran's normal life started. Surrounding his spirit of adventure, he finds peace and domesticated life. Means when Sushila comes in life, then he became normal. And last, in conclusion, we can say that in the novel, Narayan depicts the standards of suffering and humor. In conclude, we can say that Narayan depicts the standards of suffering and humor. Okay. Next, after reading these points, anyone can write a long question in 400 words, and these questions like theme of the novel, essay on the novel, Chandran's life, or hero of the novel, and novel of the youth. देखिए स्टूडेंट्स, हमारे जो एग्ज़ाम में क्वेश्चंस आते हैं, क्वेश्चन वही रहता है, आंसर उसका वही लिखना होता है, ओनली क्वेश्चन का फॉर्मेट चेंज होता है। आप जब ये सारा देखेंगे, ये सारा जो अभी मैंने आपको डिस्क्राइब किया है, इसको अगर अपने माइंड में रखेंगे, देन यू कैन राइट एनी क्वेश्चन फ्रॉम द नॉवल। ओके, थैंक यू।